Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet.
Okay guys, we're taking the kitchen out and we'll tell you why later. Let's get her done. There's Scotty, guys. We're organizing. No more kitchen.
Trying to get everything set in here.
We'll tell you why. Because boondocking and the kitchen, we'll explain it in a minute. Look at all this stuff. Oh my God. Ooh. Okay guys, let's see what Scott's done. We're reserve parking for the disabled. Okay guys, let's see what Scott's got in here. Well, looky there. Wow, look at all that space.
All kinds of space. And then we just have that bed with the lights and stuff.
Okay, let's go check out the other side, guys. See what the old kitchen, and it's not a kitchen no more. Okay, what's going on in the front here? Okay, guys, look. So we moved all the tools to the front so we get a flat tire, or if Scott needs to fix anything. This is more practical than an outside kitchen. And when you boondock, when you RV full time, having the kitchen outside gets really dusty. So we moved the outside kitchen in the inside pantry. That's what we're going to do and remodel it. So good job, Scott. Nice and clean, you guys. Everything is put away. Whoop whoop. Guys, we got rid of so much garbage. This whole big bag of garbage. Whoop whoop. Now Scott's resting. He's hurting. So we're gonna watch this amazing view tonight.
A brand new world under our feet. Travel with me.